job.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, V, Namo, Nova, A, B, Metro, C, Daddy, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P,
How do you spell your name, Jane?
J, N, N, E, J, my name, J, N, N,
Good job.
Level 3.
Do you want to turn off the chair?
Yeah.
You got it? You need help?
The shape of the day is square.
Let me know if you need help, okay? Oh, you got it. You're so good.
Hey Jane, what sound does a monkey make? What sound does a lion make? Jane, what sound does a turtle make?
Don't sit in that bucket, you silly goose. Okay.
Yeah.
We don't need to close that one. Do you don't want Gus to come in? Gus is a nice doggy. He wasn't bothering you.
No.
What do you say?
Sing that.
Excuse me.
Pizza, pizza, don't me. Missy go pizza, pizza, don't on me. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, Jane.
Where are you going?
Hey Jane, can you come here for a minute? Jane, how do you feel about pizza?
What's your cat, Mommy?
Okay, you can play with that.
I pay the money. I pay the mommy today.
The money?
Okay, here you go.
You're gonna buy something? Okay, what are you buying?
Coffee together.
Some avocados?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your change.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Here you go. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Looks good. You want to swipe the credit card too, Sub? Thank you. Okay. Thanks. How many do you have there?
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
8?
And
Oh, whoops. How many? 1?
No.
Oh, just 1? Okay.
me. Go. No. Me.
You're scanning it?
Yeah. Like that. Me.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay, here you go.
Okay. I want.
You gonna scan it?
Yeah. Got it. Me.
Oh, looks good. Is that what they do at the grocery store? When they scan all of the food that we're gonna get, and then we give them money to buy it?
Me.
Did you use your new towel today? Did you like it?
Who's on your new towel, Jane?
Aula and Today?
Olaf and who
You're welcome.
else?
I know.
Elsa?
Me.
Oops. Sorry. You're welcome.